Thank you. We have ended the Second International Congress on Islamic Civilization in Southern Africa. Yesterday was the last day of the Congress. It was a successful Congress, a joint event organized by IRCICA and Al-Qadsa and other co-organizers. When we started 10 years ago, the first international symposium here in South Africa, nobody thought that it would reach to this level. Now we can see at this Second International Congress, but there are interests from the academia, from the people, from different groups of Muslim communities here in Southern Africa. I hope that in future we will have a wider participants, more participants from different parts of the region. And at this conference we got very important results. Besides the academic result, we also had some institutional outcomes, which is going to be, the first one is to enlarge or develop the Al-Qadsa, and the second to establish a research center under the Al-Qadsa umbrella of Al-Qadsa, which will study the history and civilization and will have a prospect horizon for the future of the Muslim communities in Southern Africa. And this is very important step. We cannot develop unless we have research institutions. And third important point, to establish a scholarship. Also, Al-Qadsa will start the scholarship program, inshallah. All these results and the outcomes of the symposium will give us more enthusiasm to work for the future of the studies of Islamic history, art and culture in this region of the world. Maybe we will start with Al-Qadsa and relevant institutions to have a smaller workshops and seminars in the region, a wider topic or a narrow topic, only small subjects will be discussed in these seminars and symposiums. And I am pleased to be here second time for the organization of this conference. I hope that we will have the third one in 2 years' time, maybe in Cape Town or some other parts of this world. Thank you very much.